Let me have it. Wow.
Yes.
Where is Favor?
Such pretty.
Hey guys, so we have some unboxing to do here. We have 3 bags. Which one should we start from? Let's start from Globe. So these 2 bags are from a supermarket called Globe here in Italy. My hubby went shopping there, and so we want to unbox it with you guys. All right, he went shopping for, wait, oh, just wait. I just opened it and my item is the first thing here. Hubby shopped sandals for me. We didn't plan this. He didn't tell me. Like, I'm not aware of this. He went shopping for his kids and see, 41 is my size. Oh, and he's not here. He went to work. If not, I would have given him a warm hug. Good thing my own comes first. Can see? So cute. Is this smelling good?
Yes. It was from the shop.
Well, it's smelling as it should. So this is the first item here. The second one is a shirt, a white shirt. This should be for Favor, right? Yes, this one is for Favor, guys.
Yes,
you're welcome. I know, right? What is this? Oh, raincoat. See, guys, raincoat for when it's raining. Is there any need? No need to bring it out. You can see it here, the raincoat. For this one is for Caleb because he needs it. Oops. Here we have, oh, for Blessing. This one is for my baby girl. Let me show them properly. Look, guys, it's so cute. I know. This is the back. Oh, mommy, take. Look. Ooh, look at that, guys. Whose shoes are these?
It's Favor. Might be Favor's own.
Size what? 40.
14.
Hold on. I don't know who owns this one yet. Let's continue. Let me see others. And oh, this one should obviously be for Caleb. Joshua, you have this type of sandals, right?
Yeah.
Something like this. And the same color. Hubby went and bought same shoe. Abi sandals for Caleb. Bubu, here is yours.
Yeah, I have my own.
I don't know who owns the black one yet. Don't worry, by the end of the day, we must figure it out. Oh, there's another black one here, guys. See. This one is size 40 as well.
Size for Joshua.
That means, Favor, you will go first. As in, you will choose first before Joshua. Which one do you like? This one. Yes. This one looks more like a male's shoe. So, but this one is for you. And this is for Favor. And the last but not the least here is this. Wait, too. Joshua.
Another one.
This one is size 39.
This is like Caleb's.
See,
inside the box.
sandals. It's for Joshua, obviously. So that's it for what hubby bought for the kids. This one is yours too. Let's enter this. Favor has been waiting for this pack to be opened. Okay, first of all, guys, these are hair accessories that I bought from Temu, whatever. So you guys can see hairbands. Put it at the back there. These are hair pins or hair, I don't even know what to call them. Like after making the hair, you use it to design the hair. Over here we have wools, yarn, as some people may call it. I'll just be passing them over to Favor. These ones, I have 3 colors here, pink, white and black. Is for packing up your hair in a pineapple form, or I don't know, but just to pack up your hair, to put it up in a bun. So guys, these ones are hair clippers for clipping up the hair. Mama, hold this one. Ooh, Favor, look. That's a lot. Hairband. Yes, of course, Mama. Beads, black and white beads. These ones are rubber bands, tiny rubber bands.
Wow.
Oh, Favor, this is for you.
Wow.
Inner wear, half cut or half short. I don't even know what to call it. Hey, more beads. More beads, guys.
That will be public.
Mama, hold it.
Whoa.
Joshua, hold this one first. I'm coming to open it up. Oh, beader. Yeah. This is a beading stick, or simply call it beader. And we have a hair bonnet. Yes, Blessing doesn't really have a bonnet of her size. She has been wearing mine, so I bought this one for her. Mama, let's put it on.
Unicorn is my favorite.
Unicorn is your favorite. Look at her cute face. Guys, look. Mommy, turn this side. Let's see your back. Ooh, it's so pretty. I know. And oh, tongue scraper.
Oh, wow.
And the last, okay, that's not the last thing. Some of these hairbands. Wait, Caleb, get that. Poured in here.
Oh,
look.
What? Wait, that's this.
Okay, we have this. Look, it came in 3 sizes. So this is the biggest one. Can you guys see clearly? Yes, for packing up your hair in a bun. The smaller one for Blessing, the small one for Favor, the big one for Mommy.
Yes.
And then we have more yarns here with a crochet stick. Is that what they call it? I don't know. But these are Brazilian wools. So this one is more like a gift that they added there. Use it to insert wools or whatever. Okay, so let's open up this one. As I was scrolling, I saw this. I showed it to my hubby and he said I should order it for him. So this one is for hubby. This one is hair clipper, right?
So beautiful.
You have not even seen the inside. Guess the color. Guess the color. Guess the color.
Black.
Guess the color.
White.
Guess the color.
Black.
Golden.
Golden.
Look. Guys,
So beautiful.
golden color.
So cute. Wow.
Wait, let me shave. Wait.
I
have birds. I'm a man. It's so costly, right? I know. It's so costly. You don't even know how much I bought it. My kids are there shouting wow, wow, wow like a siren because they believe that gold is a rich color and are for rich people as well. And that was why I even asked them in the first place to guess the color I have in the bag before I opened it, because I know how much they value golden colors. Anyways, out of the 3 clippers, 2 are for my hubby and 1 is for me. Can you guess the one I collected from my hubby in the comment section? Okay, that's it guys for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Aya, let's pack up.
That's so Mommy, no, this one is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You can make it for
Okay, you can open it if you want.
Me too. I want to open them.
I don't know where these ones
Wow.
come from.